Hello, welcome to Geek's Garage. We will be running over wires with my chair. Continuing on from yesterday, we had the iPhone XR that was water damaged. If you remember, this will be part two of the video. We got an iPhone XR. It had been in the bath. Water got in because it had a previous screen change that wasn't sealed very well. Plus, the back glass had a hole in it, so the water was straight in. If we have it up here, right? We put marks on it so you could see what it was. This was the one. We had, if we get the scope out, I will show you, we had a cap on the side that was burnt, that was shorting out. We popped that off the board. All was good from that point, and then we the screen itself was water damaged, so we had to order a new screen. That screen's come today, so let's have a little look at it and we will go from there. That camera there is what you want. If you remember, we had this cap here that was shorted out, popped off the board along with the trace, along with the pad. Unfortunately, if we don't need to replace it, if we did, there's still a pin under it. I could still do it, but we don't need to replace that cap. That relieved the short, luckily, so we didn't have to strip down it completely, but that relieved the short. But the screen just had lines all over it, so we weren't sure if it was just a screen issue or if it was in fact something else on the board. So what we've done is we've ordered a screen, which I have behind me. This has just come. So it's like a knife. Another packet of tools that I never use. Just a waste. Normally I'd order my screens from a supplier I have in China, but we've run out of screens because it's been absolutely manic lately, and we needed this screen ASAP. So it was an Amazon jobby. This was bloody expensive, might I add. So we have the screen. Let's stick it on the board. Let's swap you round so we can see what we're doing. Let's stick it on the board, put some power in it, and we'll see if removing that cap has in fact cleared our shorts. Well, we know it's cleared the short, but has it fixed the phone? iBoot box, love it, love it. I never had one for such a long time. Didn't really think I needed one. Just justified not getting one all the time. Got one. Quite honestly, couldn't go without it. It's brilliant. Give it a bit of power into that. Let's flip this over. Right, let's see if we get. There we go. Apple logo. That's what we want. That's what we want. Outstanding. There we go. Right. There we go. We don't have the code to get into the phone, but there's the phone working. We just need to throw it all back in its casing, wherever I've put that. We'll get it all back into here, get it all put back together, invoice the customer, they can come and collect it. Happy days. Happy days. Say, can't beat that, you know, absolutely love that. Otherwise it would be putting everything back, testing it, if it doesn't work, take it all back apart again. That machine's a godsend. Lovely jubbly. It's water damaged iPhone XR fixed. I'm not going to do the whole video of me putting it all back into the housing. There's the marks that we put on it that will match up with the part 1 video. You've seen it all working. I'm just going to throw it all back together. So thanks for watching. Like the video, please click the like button if you want to see more videos of me doing stuff. You might learn something. You want to make some comments so I can learn something, more than happy. Yeah, thanks for watching. See you again. Thank you.